3 o'clock in the night. Journey starts in 2 hours. Sarvesh and me are in the car on the way to the bus pickup point, and I'm going to meet Sanya after like almost 8 years. Okay, we're gonna go top all the way there. What you should wear for a trek? What you should not wear for a trek?
It's a peak finish. Sprint.
We are one level with the cloud right now. Homestay. Our morning adventure has ended with a block in our roads, literally.
But will that stop us? I
No.
don't think so.
No!
The ascent begins.
We didn't get camera on you.
So the trek path is filled with moss and slippery stones.
If you want an example,
Even our guide has just
Soumya is going to slip and show you guys.
and then she does
Show how
show. Come
slippery
on,
it is.
show that. Ah! That's the peak we want to go to, behind the clouds. Awesome trekking view right here. So this has become a huge problem. The view is good everywhere, so we have to stop for taking pictures. But at the same time, we have to reach up fast. While climbing, we are now talking about the documentary of Mount Meru. If you haven't watched it, watch it. It's a very inspirational documentary about climbers. The Kudremukh peak is in the reach, we can see it. We go up all the way there, and then that's the peak. Kudremukh means horse nose or horse face. So the face of the mountain looks like a horse. So we'll see that. What do you think of this view?
Amazing.
So normally the whole trail we are walking on is filled with water flowing down. That's why there is a lot of moss and it's slippery. But right now, luckily it's not raining. But it's going to start raining soon. He says unlucky, but if it rains, we'll be slipping a lot. But the weather is really nice. (1,192 meters). How was the climb?
Damn good. I've never had more satisfaction eating something. Awesome.
Nice bro, it's awesome. Really man, it's good.
Like every day, man. Morning walk.
Morning walk.
Morning walk, have lunch, brunch, go back down.
What was the best part?
This one only.
Eating food.
Yeah.
Eating food and having water, the stream water.
Yeah. The favorite part is now eating the food.
Eat the takali sadam.
So this is our battle scar.
Leeches are biting everyone. I didn't even know it was on me. Leech bit. Leech
all these things.
bite. Leech bite. He didn't even realize it until he removed his shoes. Now it's drizzling a little. It's the worst thing that happens by the trek. We're just wearing our raincoats, it didn't rain. As we removed it, it's raining now. And all of us just like removed our raincoat just 2 minutes ago. This is a trekker's dilemma every time. It's raining heavily. Everyone's raincoats are on.
Sweat's going to stop in some time now.
Right now the descent is very difficult because it's raining and the stones are all wet. And it's very easy to slip. And it's descent all the way. And we have to move very slowly because it's very easy to slip on wet stones.
Good evening, this is Sarvesh reporting from Kudremukh Range.
The trek just turned more interesting. It's raining in the forest right now.
The Amazon rainforest right now.
Any leeches, beetles, and snakes and everything else crawling around.
We're currently 1,500 meters above sea level, descending from 1,890. We are here reporting live for National Geographic. The rains do not seem to subside. They just get heavier by the minute. It's making us regret this. But will we? No. We slip, we fall, we get up, and we repeat. Reporting live for National Geographic once again. Thank you.
Look at the disaster the rains has caused, making our trek very difficult. That tree over there is called the only tree, or Panna tree as in Kannada, because it's the only tree amongst like the grass over here, and that tree just started to grow recently. How is it, Dip? The battle wounds are uncovering one by one. Like,
Yeah, it still bleeds, man.
You go now and check. No, you check.
Yeah, boy. Headed to Devansh's brother's apartment for a good night's sleep.
We didn't sleep at all in the bus last night. Oh my god.